Hello guys, my name is Dora Mensah, aka Mama Do. You are welcome to Dora's Arena. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Become part of this lovely family. You will never regret it. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos and to support my channel. God richly bless you. In my school, I am the girl child coordinator in my school. So on this day, an organization named Talk to Me organization organized a workshop on HPV. After this video, my next video, I'm going to explain in details what HPV is, and it's not only HPV. The workshop was about HPV and cervical cancer. So HPV is the main cause of cervical cancer. So as I said in my next video, whatever we were taught, I'm going to explain into details for you to also be aware. It was my first time of hearing about it, so I think it is also good for me to also explain to you guys, so that if you are not aware, as I wasn't aware, you will also be enlightened on what is happening. So when I say Talk to Me Foundation, it is a foundation that their doors are opened to any girl child, even a boy child, to also voice out whatever problem they have. You know, in Ghanaian setting, it is difficult, as they have made it for kids to open up to their parents to talk about sensitive issues, especially when it's about our private parts and all those things. It is very difficult. So Talk to Me have opened their arms to anyone. Moreover, they don't even know, after all they don't even know you into details. So even if you share your problem with them, they are not going to tell your parents. They don't even know your parents. So they have opened their arms for you to be able to talk to them. So guys, I'll just keep quiet for you to enjoy this program. So after this video, my next video, I will be explaining into details. Stay tuned and enjoy yourself.
It's always good to acquire knowledge, and it's always good to acquire new things. That is why we are gathered here this morning. I want to emphasize on it. Please check on your friends, your colleagues who are supposed to be here to come, because it is very, very important that when programs such as this are organized, we make sure we attend. Because if it was the one that we have to pay, we definitely do pay, and I know we do complain. So why don't we embrace the one that we are coming, where we have sponsored, somebody is sponsoring us, where we'll be TNT will be taken care of. You know, at the end of the day, we have to do evaluation, and if it is done and the attendance, it is not good. This is how we get it. It is not good. So please, when there is a program that we have to pay, we come. When there is the one that we are benefiting from, our learners, because we know that for our learners, when they learn it, they will by extension to our homes and to our communities. So as a directorate, we appreciate the support of Talk to Me and Wage Foundation for ensuring that the knowledge is not kept, and the knowledge is not even sent to even only communities, but to us, chef coordinators and the girl child coordinators, who are those who are leading when it comes to skill-based education, when it comes to health education, when it comes to building capacity and empowering our learners, both girls and boys. So please, let's pay attention to what we are coming to learn today. Last week we had an experience, a life experience, where someone shared her experience. can read better from the screen. Thank you for so she's with the hospital itself, not the directly. So when you go to the Amasama hospital, she's there. Yes, last time I went to emergency, she helped me. Thank you very much. Talk to me. We listen, we learn, we lead. Talk to me. We listen, we learn, we lead. Cervical cancer. Prevention today, protection tomorrow. Cervical cancer. Prevention today, protection tomorrow.
I want to add another slogan. So when I say HPV, and you say vaccinate today, one less worry tomorrow. HPV.
Vaccinate today, one less worry tomorrow.
HPV.
Vaccinate today, one less worry tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I hope we are all doing well. So you are all welcome to today's session. We began this series since last week. We had 2 sessions with the learners and another one with the chef coordinators. And today is for your child facilitators, right? Yeah. Or coordinators. So it's almost the same. So we are going to be talking about HPV and cervical cancer and your role as your child facilitators. How you can engage the girls. I was sitting at the back and I'm listening to most of the contributions that are coming. And I can see that you have a fact happens. The problem is people. And that is why we need to bring it together. We need to work together. One person alone cannot handle it. So we health workers are there, the teachers are there, the parents are there, the community members are there. As we listen to themselves, they are part of this issue. You agree with me? Yes. So that is why we are doing this. At the end of these sessions, we are going to learn about what cervical cancer is and how we are going to help our young one and we ourselves, because it affects women. So you are here as your child coordinator, but you are going to also learn something that benefits you in the long run. Is that okay? So let's take this. I wish I can go fast, but mostly because the problems are so many, we usually have to solve for so many, but I think I will be able to go fast. So to start the session, we are going to go through the activities that we did with the learners last week. So the first session.
So guys, these were not the only materials we were given. After the program, we were given a whole lot of materials, even Manila cards were also given to help us to carry out our duties effectively or our work effectively. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.